boat. Check this out.
Get a picture of that. Get a copy of that. You got there to show your girl.
Paddle harder. I hear banjo music. That sounds familiar. UPDE, Upper Delaware? Sweetwater Guide Service, how cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had s'mores for breakfast. Now this is our second breakfast and we're really picking out here. Bacon, eggs, sausage. Ready to hit the river one more time. One more time. Here it is Sunday morning, our third day on the river. We're launching today from Stalker, Pennsylvania, and going down to Calicoon, New York. It's Randy in the lead, followed by Kevin and myself. Right now I've got a fly rod out, and I'm going to sit back here in this pool, which is 9 feet deep, and hopefully pull something up. Fishing hasn't been that good. We've caught some fish, but no trophy fish by all means. But we have one more day to pull something good out of the water. Another set of rapids. This is a stupid thing to do and hold the cell phone, so I learned my lesson. I'm going to turn it off this time. There we go, turning it off. All right, we're taking a break here again. Time for a cocktail. Yeah!
They're all the same.
Rum and Cokes. Nothing like rum and Cokes on the Delaware River. Here, here. Dog came out to greet Randy at the shoreline. Randy's got himself a nice little smallmouth. Caught more than that though, didn't you? Nice. Hey, it's the end of our journey. I don't know what time it is, but we finally made it down here to Calicoon. Calicoon. And we're waiting for Joe to come down with his tricked out canoe. He's way upstream. We saw him about an hour ago. Oh, here he comes around the bend now, way upstream. Well, that's it for the Upper Delaware River kayak trip. We're all exhausted. We don't even want to talk anymore. Right, Rand? We're beat, physically beat. Ready to go home, get a hot shower, sleep in our own beds, and call this one of the best trips we've ever taken together. Right. All right, Uncle Gene, over and out.